In 1989, the Loma Prieta earthquake struck the city of Oakland, causing significant damage. It also strained the resources from local police, firefighters, and paramedics. As a result of this incident, the Oakland Fire Department developed the CORE program. Communities of Oakland Respond to Emergencies. This program provides training in order to help citizens become self-reliant during times of a disaster. In 1991, the city of Oakland was again shaken by the Oakland Hills firestorm. The need for awareness and emergency preparedness grew as a result of that incident.
As an Oakland native, I have seen how our community has come together when disaster strikes. I was here for the Loma Prieta earthquake. My family lost our home in the Oakland Hills fire. But because certain individuals had taken the time to be prepared, we had support. You need to get the skills, the knowledge, so not only can you respond in the immediate aftermath of a disaster, but you can help provide immediate care, safety, and comfort to your family and your whole community, especially your vulnerable neighbors. So do not hesitate to come and benefit from the incredible resources that CORE can offer you today.
The CORE program provides free emergency preparedness training to individuals, neighborhood groups, and community-based organizations. This training provides self-reliant skills and emergency preparedness so that responding teams within those neighborhoods can better serve and protect their communities until such time that professional help arrives.
Command Center, Command Damage Assessment 1.
I urge each of you to join the 32,000 plus Oaklanders who've taken CORE training since 1990. After all, from experience, we know firsthand that it's not a matter of if, but when the next disaster will occur.
We encourage everybody to take CORE training. Whether you live, work, or play in Oakland, we want you to be prepared. We have several different classes. CORE 1, our emergency preparedness class that teaches self-reliance skills for you to be prepared personally, for your home and family. CORE 2, which is our neighborhood preparedness and response class, which teaches resilient skills and organizational skills for your neighbors and neighborhood to respond to emergencies. And then there's CORE 3, our hands-on skills and exercise course, which is taught by our Oakland firefighters, where you learn fire suppression, search and rescue skills, disaster first aid, and then have the opportunity to practice those skills. The training is free. We encourage everybody to take CORE training. The premise of the CORE program has always been neighbors helping neighbors. If you are personally prepared, that enables you to help others. And we'd like you to organize your neighborhoods. You could become a CORE neighborhood group leader and help organize and train your neighbors to respond to all types of disasters.
I am a volunteer working with the City of Oakland in their Oakland CORE program to help people learn about disaster preparedness. Also, I volunteer with their local radio communications group. ORCA, the amateur radio group, helps assist with disaster communications, letting disaster officials know where services are needed and in what capacity. Become a volunteer for the City of Oakland. Take your CORE classes. They're free, available to the public. Learn how to take care of others around you. Learn how to take care of yourself in the event of natural disaster.
There are some action steps that you can take today.
Subscribing to Oakland's notification systems, AC Alert, which you can do at acalert.org, as well as Nixle at nixle.com, or download the free AC Prepared Community Preparedness app from the App Store on your mobile device.
Also, have a plan, build a kit, and get involved. Having a plan ahead of time, knowing how to communicate with your loved ones when something occurs, is really important. They want to know you're okay, and you want to know that they're okay. Build a kit. Gather your emergency supplies for at least 7 to 10 days, as it may take several days for emergency responders to assist in your local community. Get involved. Join the CORE program. There's numerous trainings that you can do, organize your neighborhood, and volunteer. Join the CORE program today.
CORE neighborhood groups throughout Oakland. Join us Saturday, April 28th, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. for the 13th Annual CORE Citywide Disaster Exercise. For more information and to register, call 510 238-6351 or email us at core@oaklandnet.com or visit our website at oaklandcore.com.